Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be able to manifest everything they desire, while for others, maybe even yourself, watching this video now, it feels like the universe is just playing hard to get? If that's you, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to easily break down the science behind the basics of manifestation, why it sometimes doesn't seem to work, and what you can do to make it really happen. Let's start with the basics. Manifestation is the act of bringing something into your life through focused intention and positive thinking. It's about creating a clear mental image of what you want, and then aligning your thoughts, actions, and energy with that image. But here's the key. It's not just about wishing for something. It's about believing you deserve it, and that it's already on its way. It's like when you've ever imagined yourself acing that exam or crushing that interview. Before it happens, you have to picture yourself succeeding, right? That's visualization in action. Now, let's get into the science behind it. When you visualize your goal or dream, your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. It activates the same neural pathways as if you were actually experiencing the event. This is why the more you visualize, the more your brain starts believing it's possible. And then, it works with you to create opportunities and ideas to make it real. I know for sure this has happened to you before. For example, when you've imagined yourself at a party, feeling super confident, and then, when the moment comes, you're actually more comfortable because you've already mentally rehearsed it. Your brain is just that good at making it feel real. The biggest thing with manifesting is believing that you're actually capable. So many times, we struggle with this because deep down, there's that little voice saying, but what if it doesn't work out? And guess what? That self-doubt is actually normal. It's something everyone experiences, especially when we're reaching for something bigger than what we've known before. But here's the thing, that little voice doesn't have to hold you back. It's a natural part of growth and change, and in fact, it's a sign that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. The more we can work with those doubts instead of letting them control us, the stronger our manifestation power becomes. If you've ever psyched yourself out of something, like a job or an opportunity, because it just felt too big, that's your subconscious playing a role. So when you're visualizing, it's not just about the end goal, it's about feeling worthy of that goal, one gentle step at a time. If you're feeling like those doubts are holding you back, don't worry, you're not alone. We're all learning how to move through it together. It's something I want to dive deeper into in a future video, so let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like to see here. Now, you might disagree with me on this one, but manifestation isn't about wishing for something and then sitting back waiting for it to happen. It's about aligning yourself every day, even with the smallest steps, to that goal. Every thought, every action, even when they feel like small insignificant moves, are part of your larger picture. In fact, consistency is everything. But does this mean we have to think about it every hour, minute, and second of the day? No, that's why a cozy and slow rewire of our brain is key to success. But we'll get to that in a much deeper video. For now, just keep in mind that when you get used to acting on your intentions, the universe has no choice but to meet you halfway. Think about the times when you felt super proud of a tiny, consistent habit you built, like your morning routine or just setting a goal and sticking with it, even when it seems small. Those little wins, they're proof that small steps matter, and they're part of the bigger manifestation picture. And here's where positive affirmations can really be a game changer. They can help you get into a specific mindset, one that makes it easier for you to take those little steps and believe that what you're manifesting is already on its way. When you affirm your worth and your goals, you're tapping into a state of mind that helps align your actions with your desires. Think of them like gentle reminders to stay on track and keep your energy in alignment with your dreams. To make this process even easier, I'm creating a playlist of positive affirmations that will guide you and help you stay in the right mindset. Each one will help you tune into that energy and stay focused on your goals. Don't be shy. You can leave a comment now with a specific topic or affirmation you'd like me to create. Remember, this could be your first step toward making a life-changing shift. If you made it till this last part of the video, it means that you're truly serious about wanting to shift to a better life. If you find the way we explain these concepts helpful, consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on more focused videos like this one. Now, let's talk about one of the hardest parts of manifestation, letting go. This might seem counterintuitive at first. Why would we release something we deeply want? But here's the truth. When you fixate too much on an outcome, it can create stress, doubt, and resistance. The more we grip onto a desire, the more we signal to ourselves and even to the universe that we don't fully believe it's already on its way. So, why does letting go actually work? It creates space for our goals to come to us naturally. When we release control and surrender, it signals confidence and trust in the process. Letting go isn't about giving up. It's about trusting that what's meant for you will arrive at the right time. It's a gentle release and acceptance. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check its progress. You water it, you let it grow, and you trust the process. Take a moment to consider something you've been gripping too tightly. If you need to, pause the video and ask yourself, what if instead, you simply let it be? This small shift can make a world of difference in your manifestation journey. So remember, when it comes to manifestation, it's all about aligning your mind, your actions, and your energy with your goals. Start small, build consistency, and let the universe meet you halfway. And don't forget, those little moments of doubt, they're a normal part of the process too. Embrace them and use them to fuel your growth. If you want to dive deeper into how to shift those doubts and turn them into empowering thoughts, let me know in the comments. We're here to help each other out every step of the way. Thank you for being here with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. I can't wait to help you create your dream life, one soft, cozy step at a time.